It's more than just being a fan. Baekhyun inspires me to be a better person, to become a better version of myself every day. They make going through every day worthwhile. Just like how proud I am of being an Eri, I also want them to be proud of me.
I have been a fan of Baekhyun since I was 12 years old, and now I'm in my last year of college and I'm graduating. And I'm taking my board's exam this year too, and I want to thank Baekhyun for being the source of my inspiration and happiness. I hope we create more precious memories in the future. 사랑해, 또 보자, 안녕.
Thank you so much for always being with me.
Hello, Baekhyun. I appreciate you very, very much.
Thank you, Baekhyun. 안녕, Baekhyun.
I'm proud of you. Thank you. Mahal kita. Baekhyun, welcome back to the Philippines.
Hello, Baekhyun. Thank you so much for coming back again in the Philippines. We love you.
Love you so much for your episode. Mahal ka namin, Baekhyun.
I have loved you for 11 years and I love you for 11 years.
Welcome to the Philippines, Baekhyun. Lagi excited, saranghe. Mahal ka namin, Baekhyun. Baekhyun, saranghe.
Yeah, Baekhyun.
Video. What would you like to tell them?
일단 우리 엑소엘 여러분들과 정말 오랫동안 같이 이렇게 세월이 빨리 지난 것 같아요.
The time has passed really, really quickly, and for a long time we've been together with the EXO-Ls, right?
네, 이렇게 오랜 시간을 함께하는 동안 이제 서로가 서로에게 얼마나 필요한 존재인지를 알게 되는 것 같아요. 시간이 지날수록.
And the more the time passes, we can realize, we can feel that we should be together, and we don't know the importance of each other as time passes by.
네, 그래서 앞으로도 뭔가 제가 여러분들에게 큰 자랑인 것처럼 여러분들도 저에게는 큰 자랑이니까 앞으로도 저와 함께 오래오래 서로 자랑하고 서로 행복한 시간 보내면서 살았으면 좋겠습니다.
Parang gusto ko na ako din yung pride nyo, and kayo din ang pride ko for a long period of time. So I hope that we can spend more time together for a better memory and time.
네, 사랑해요.
What a beautiful message. Thank you so much for that. But of course, we know that the best way that our genius idol communicates with us is through song. So here he is with his final song for the night.